Tired of your selfie stick showing up in all your videos? Or maybe you wanted to bring a drone to the resorts and you got denied. Well, this video here is set up to make it look like you're not holding a selfie stick at all, and that you have your own little personal drone following you, or maybe your friends and family around as well. Alright, so we're going to keep it real simple and quick. Well, all you need is really two things. One is a 360 camera. I got the GoPro Max. There's plenty of them on the market which you can choose. This seems to work pretty well for me. And you also need a long selfie stick, but the difference between this is it's going to sit flush right on top. See how it's not arced to the side, left or right? If you take a look at this other, I have the GoPro, what's it called, Grande, and you can see how this is set up. If I were to put the Max onto that, you wouldn't get the same effect. You'd still see the pole. So I'll leave a link in the description for this pole, maybe a few others too, because there's a lot on the market. I seem to like this one, and it's super far. I think it almost extends out to about 9 feet. So if you really want to get that kind of drone look I'm talking about, buy the largest one that you can. All right, you'll just have to be able to, be able to take a few remarks here and there coming down the mountain with a pole that's about 9 feet long.